And hi, folks, I'm back with you here for your Monday and start of another week on Veterans Day as we salute those who have served in our armed forces. All right, Rapides Regional Hospital, we've got the tower cam view, a beautiful Veterans Day here. The TV, not so great this morning with some fog, but things improved during the day, and that's good news. So a mostly clear sky from the hospital as we look northward. Now let's take you over toward the next destination, which is Jena, where we see the sun not too far from setting, a mostly clear sky over in LaSalle Parish for our friends there. And looking in Leesville, likewise, just a few high clouds in the horizon. We'll call it mostly clear and temperatures fairly warm and for this time of year still, and still a little bit more humid yesterday, a little bit of a change today. Now, a week ahead, I've got a couple of headlines for you. First of all, temperatures will finally be closer to normal thanks to two fronts, one that came in today and another one that will come in later in the week. But in association with one of those fronts is another storm system, and there'll be another storm system as we head into the latter part of the weekend or early next week, which that will be territory for your 7-day forecast that I'll do in a few minutes. So radar and local radar, I'm not showing anything happening here across Cenla. We're seeing some moisture and some rain off to the east of us. And would you believe crazy Raphael? Remember Hurricane Raphael, once a major hurricane, is just now kind of a remnant low in the Gulf of Mexico, south of Louisiana. And I think that's playing a role along with a front creating some of that rain over to the east of us. Satellite and radar, here's that remnant low that I was talking about as far as the former hurricane was concerned, Raphael. You can see there's front also in play. And then the weather on the move out west, moving this way. That is our next weather system for the middle of the week. Let's take you there for the brief forecast here in the short term. Get you ready for tomorrow. Back to work and school for many folks. Tuesday by 5 o'clock, we'll see a pretty good day for you there. Morning start, maybe a few clouds. But I don't think we'll see much of a fog problem, if any. And then working on into Wednesday morning, we'll start to see some showers. Notice that motion coming in from the southeast. Showers starting, chance starting early Wednesday there for you, if not late Tuesday night. And then I think it will increase during the day as the pattern seems to be favoring that. Here's the reason for the change. Tracking your storm systems. And again, this kind of gives you, now see the bumpiness, there's a weather system, there's a storm system, there's another one, past, future, maybe future. So in between, you have the ridge standing up. So here's why the weather changes. Weather change here once this pattern comes in. Once the next storm system happens, another weather change behind it. Well, the weather improves, and then back to the next system, the weather changes for the worst again. And so that is what we've got going on for you. And it put it into motion. Notice most of the energy from that system travels to the north of us, but we don't have to have it come overhead. Remember, it still excites the atmosphere, depending on how large and strong it is. And this one is large enough and strong enough to excite the atmosphere and create a weather change down here, mainly to bring back the Gulf moisture again and give us more humidity, more raw material to make rain and thunderstorms once again. Now, go a little bit farther. We see that system gets out of here. Once again, we'll see a ridge. We'll see some nice weather later in the week, but a big storm system once again taking shape out west may have something to say about your late weekend and early next week forecast. So we'll get to a 7-day forecast in just a minute. I have to go to the tropics again. Look at this. We're seeing convection starting to focus once again south of Hispaniola. Not very well organized, but there's some potential there. In fact, 50% chance of something developing there across the Western Caribbean, according to the National Hurricane Center. Might be a tropical depression there by the end of the week. So, yeah, we'll check that out. That's been an active area, and it remains so. All right, 7-day forecast for us. Tuesday, 53, so nice and cool Tuesday morning. A beautiful day, partly cloudy. We see the change come in Wednesday, showers and some thunderstorms coming in with the front. And then by Thursday, that's back out here. Friday's a nice day. No issues for Friday evening football this week. And then notice the cooler temperatures. Finally, some temperatures closer to normal. 47 for Friday morning low, 48 for Saturday morning. But we start to warm up Sunday and Monday at night. Minimum temperatures are higher, so that means more moisture in the air. A slight chance of rain on Sunday, so your weekend's looking pretty good right now. And then Monday, though, scattered showers in the forecast at this time, and that may linger into next Tuesday with that second storm system. First storm system is Wednesday, bringing the front. All right, that's the outline of the weather forecast here for you, and we hope you have a nice day tomorrow. Nick Mickles will see you in the morning, and I'll be back about this time tomorrow for my PM update. Take care.